Hey you guys, Neha here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So, आज हम देखेंगे कि how to add a background to a plain white backdrop very easily using Picsart. Though you can use any sort of image with any sort of backdrop, but preferably white works the best. So, without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the video.
I've imported this particular image with a plain white backdrop. Now, to add a background, I'll go to stickers and search for strawberry background. Here you'll find tons of stickers. I'll go for this one. Now, zooming out the sticker, I'll adjust it as per my liking. Decreasing the opacity, I'll tap on the eraser at the top and erase all that part of sticker that is overlaying my subject. Decreasing the opacity helps you know as to what part of the sticker is overlaying your subject. Now, increasing the opacity, blend the image to multiply. Tap on the other options as well to see what best suits your image. I'll go with multiply and adjust the brightness and other adjustments as well. And this is how I've added a background to a plain white backdrop.
You can also go ahead with adding effects or filters to balance the overall image. I haven't done because it wasn't needed.
Now I'll simply save the image to the gallery and I'm done.
I hope this video was helpful, and if it did in any way, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also do hit the bell icon to get notified each time I come up with a new video. And yes, for any queries, feedback or suggestions, please write down in the comments below so that I get to know what you guys think about my videos and try to improve accordingly. #Let's learn together.